છો મજામાં? જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. So I am here with a new lecture of ray optics. Today we learn the lens maker formula and its variety of sums. So let's we start our lecture. Today we learn that lens maker formula. Lens maker formula. ये थियरी 2020 में अभी गुजरात बोर्ड में 4 मार्क में पूछी जा चुकी है, तो आपको रिवाइज करना है अच्छे से. ऐसा नहीं है कि वापस पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन इम्पोर्टेंट तो है ही. सो लेट्स वी स्टार्ट लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला. फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला, वो हम याद कर ले. 1/v माइनस 1/u इज इक्वल टू n2 माइनस n1 अपॉन n1 1/r1 minus 1/r2. This is the lens maker formula. कई बार अगर मीडियम दिया गया हो, वाटर का, लिक्विड का और ग्लास का, तो फिर कैसे फाइंड करना है? तो आपको ऐसे लिखना है 1/v माइनस 1/u, n ग्लास, n मीडियम, 1/r1 माइनस 1/r2. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं माइनस 1/v माइनस 1/u इज इक्वल टू n ग्लास, n मीडियम माइनस 1/r1 माइनस 1/r2. तो हमें ये प्रूफ करके देखना है आज. लेट्स वी डिराइव दिस लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला. कंप्लीट. लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला के लिए आपको याद रखना है, आपको लेना है थिन लेंस. अब आप पूछेंगे सर थिन लेंस की डेफिनेशन, तो थिन लेंस की डेफिनेशन पहले मैं बोलता हूं, फिर यहाँ पे मैं लिख के देता हूं. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू रिफ्रैक्टिंग सरफेस, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू रिफ्रैक्टिंग सरफेस इज नेग्लिजिबल कंपेयर टू ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस, इमेज डिस्टेंस एंड द रेडियस ऑफ. The distance between two refracting surface of the lens is negligible compared to object distance, image distance and the radius of curvature of the two refracting surface. That is known as thin lens. Complete. Again I write here thin lens. What is the definition? The distance between two refracting surface is negligible compared to object distance, image distance and the radius of curvature of two refracting surface is known as thin lens. So with the help of thin lens, today we derive the lens maker formula. Let's start. As I shown in figure, consider a thin lens with optical center O. Now, the distance between two refracting surfaces is negligible, so it does not difference that we measure the distance from pole or optical center. Both are same. So consider the object here O. The distance between object and optical center is U. Now to form the image with the help of surface 1 and surface 2. First we consider surface 1. The ray is incident at the surface 1. Now normal drawn to the surface. Here C1, as we know that rays going from rare medium to denser medium. If we consider the refractive index of this medium is N1 and this medium is N2. Now, so rays when traveling from rare medium to denser medium, the refraction is towards the normal. Complete? Now, in the absence of surface 2, the image is formed here. I dash, that distance is not a final image, so we give the name V dash. But due to the surface, these two surface, the image formed here, we draw the normal C2. Image is formed here, final, that is I. So distance is V. Complete? Here R1 and R2. Apply the formula when refraction from the spherical surface. For surface 1, what is the formula? N2 upon V minus N1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 upon R. आपको याद रखना था what is N1, रेस कहाँ से आ रही है, what is N2, रेस जहाँ पे जा रही है. So N2, रेस कहाँ जा रही है, तो N2 में. So N2 image for surface 1, that is the image V dash minus रेस कहाँ से आ रही है, N1 U N2 minus N1 for this surface. Here R1 positive, equation number 1. For surface 2, N2, लाइट कहाँ पे जा रही है, N1 अपॉन इमेज, फाइनल इमेज V माइनस N1, रेस कहाँ से आ रही है, N2. What is object distance? This image distance for surface 1, it becomes the object distance for surface 2. So that is V dash is equal to N2 minus N1, means here N1 minus N2 upon R2, equation number 2. Now adding the equation number 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, first write N2 upon V dash minus N1 upon U plus N1 upon V minus N2 upon V dash is equal to N2 minus N1 upon R1 plus N1 minus N2 upon R2. Here N2 upon V dash, N2 upon V dash are in opposite sign, so cancel each other. Here we write N1 upon V minus N1 upon U. In this term, we common the N2 minus N1. N2 minus N1. So here we can write 1 upon R1 minus, because N1 minus N2 minus common. So N2 minus N1 is outside the common. So that is R2. N1, N1 common, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 upon N1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This is the lens maker formula. Again I repeat, first as shown in figure, consider the thin lens. What is the definition of thin lens? The distance between two refracting surface is negligible compared to object distance, image distance and the radius of curvature of that two refracting surface. Here is O is the object distance, that is measured from pole or optical center, that is doesn't matter because lens is thin. So that is the object distance U. Now here in the absence of surface 2, the image formed by surface 1. So first we raise incidence at the surface 1, normal drawn to the surface, that is center of curvature 1 and its distance is r1, radius of curvature. Now in the absence of surface 2, image is formed I dash, because going from rare medium to denser medium, the rays is towards the normal. So here, so it formed the image I dash, but that is not the final image, so we give the name V dash. Now in the presence of surface 2, that image distance become object distance for surface 2, and again normal to drawn to the surface, that C2 and its distance R2. So rays going from denser medium to rare medium, so rays, refraction rays is away from the normal, so it formed the image I, that is final image, the distance is V. Now apply the formula refraction through spherical surface. What is the formula? N2 upon V minus N1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 upon R. What is N1? रेस जहां से आ रही है. What is N2? रेस जहां पे जा रही है. For surface 1 we apply the formula. रेस कहां से, what is N2? रेस कहां पे जा रही है, that is in the lens. So N2 image distance for surface 1, V dash is the image distance, minus N1, रेस कहां से आ रही है, N1, object distance U, N2 minus N1 upon R1. Now for surface 2, N2 means रेस कहां पे जा रही है, here N1. So write N1 image distance, that is the final image distance V. N1 रेस कहां से आ रही है, रेस आ रही है from lens, so that is N2. Object distance for this surface, this image becomes object, so object distance V dash, N1 minus N2 upon R2, equation number 2. Add in the equation number 1 and 2, so we get N2 upon V dash minus N1 upon U plus N1 upon V minus N2 upon V dash. Here N2 minus N1 upon R1 plus N1 minus N2 upon R2. Here N2 upon V dash, N2 upon V dash are both are in opposite direction, so opposite sign, so cancel each other. So N1 upon V minus N1 upon U, here N2 minus N1 is common, so 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. N1 is common, so 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 upon N1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This is known as the lens maker formula. अब हम इसके केसेस देखेंगे कंप्लीट. So what is the lens maker formula? Lens maker formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U, N2 minus N1, N1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. That is the most important equation. Now we derived the different equation from useful in sum. First we derive that object distance is at infinite. Then image is formed at the focal length. अगर आपको पता नहीं 1 upon U plus 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F. Here 1 upon infinite plus 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F. V is equal to F. Complete. So put this value in this equation, 1 upon F minus 1 upon infinite, N2 minus N1 upon N1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So 1 upon F is equal to N2 minus N1, N1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Now compare this equation. N2 minus N1 upon N1, N2 minus N1 upon N1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So if we compare this equation, so we get V, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U and 1 upon F. That is the formula for lens. That is also important. Complete. Next, if they give the medium if they ask that lens is first kept in air, then its focal length is 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, then the equation becomes 1 upon focal length in air, n glass, n air upon n air, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Then they said that that lens is immersed in a liquid, then find the focal length of liquid. So we write the formula 1 upon FL, n glass, n liquid, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So we take the ratio of these two equations, so we get focal length of liquid, focal length of air. Here we get n glass and air minus 1 upon n glass and liquid minus 1. So with the help of this formula, we can find the focal length of liquid. Complete. Next case, if they give the plano-convex lens, so radius of curvature for plane is infinite, and for this surface, that is R1, as we learned before in lecture. So put this value in this equation. R2 is equal to infinite, 1 upon F, N2 minus N1 upon N1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon infinite. So we get N2 minus N1 upon N1 into 1 upon R. If the medium N1 is A and N2 is the unknown medium N, then find the focal length is 1 upon F, N2 minus 1 upon R. With the help of, we can find the focal length and power भी find कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि power is 1 upon F, the reciprocal of focal length. Complete. So this is the lens maker formula. अब इनके sums देखेंगे. First question, for plano-convex thin lens is kept in air, its radius of curvature is 20 centimeter. Find the focal length. The refractive index of lens is 1.5. Complete. So plano-convex हमें दिया गया है. So अभी हमने याद किया, the formula is 1 upon F, n minus 1 upon R. Put the value 1 upon F, 1.5 minus 1, R, that is 20. So 0.5, 20, 1 upon F, 1 by 2 into 20. So F is equal to 40 centimeter. आप ऐसे ही सम कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे फोकल लेंथ अगर आपको 40 दी गई हो या 30 दी गई हो तो, पर याद रखिए प्लेनो कॉन्वेक्स एंड थिन लेंस. कंप्लीट. नेक्स्ट सम. The radius of curvature of convex lens is same from both sides is 15 centimeter. The refractive index of lens is 1.5. Then find the focal length of lens in air. Option 15 centimeter, 20, 1/50 and 30 centimeter. अब लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला 1/f n2 minus n1 upon n1, 1/r1 minus 1/r2. We have to find focal length. N2 means glass. A here 1 is radius is take as a positive, so 15, and another is take as a negative. So here 1/f 0.5, 1/15 plus 1/15. To simplify, 1/f 1/2. Here 15 is LCM, so 2 divided by 15, 2 cuts. 1/f is equal to 1/15. So f is equal to 15 centimeter. Complete. Okay, next. If they ask that the radius, question 3, the radius of curvature of equiconvex lens is r and its focal length is also same as the radius of curvature, then find the refractive index of glass. इस बार हमें कहा गया है the radius of curvature is r and the focal length is also same of the radius of curvature, then find the refractive index of the lens. So lens maker formula n2 minus n1 upon n1, 1/r1 minus 1/r2. Here 1/r, glass and medium minus 1/8, 1. Here 1/r minus 1/r. Here nr, n medium minus 1, 1/r plus 1/r. Complete. To simplify, 1/r is equal to n medium minus 1, 2/r. Here r से r कट गया, n multiplication 2n medium minus 2 is equal to 1, so 2n medium is equal to 3, n medium 3/2, so n medium is equal to 1.5. With the help of this we can find also the refractive index of the lens. The double convex lens made from refractive index 1.55, the lens with the same radius of curvature. So what is the radius of curvature is required for the focal length is to be 20 centimeter. Complete. ये आपको NCERT एग्जाम्पल 9.7 में भी मिल जाएगा. Complete. So let's restart. Lens maker formula 1/f n2 minus n1 upon n1, 1/r1 minus 1/r2. Here focal length 20, refractive index 1.55 minus 1/1. Refractive index, radius of curvature are same both side, so 1 upon r minus 1 upon r, so 1 upon 20, 0.55, 2 upon r. To simplify, 1 upon 20, 0.55 into 2, 1.1 divided by r, so r 20 into 1.1, so r is equal to 22 सेंटीमीटर. कंप्लीट. सो ये चार सम ने हमने क्या देखा? फर्स्ट सम वी फाइंड द फोकल लेंथ, सेकंड सम वी फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, थर्ड सम वी फाइंड द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स, sorry, in second sum we find the focal length, in third sum we find the refractive index, and the fourth sum we find refractive index. Complete. Next question. The thin convex lens of glass, refractive index 1.5, has focal length 20 centimeter. Now it completely immersed in transparent liquid of refractive index 1.75, then find the focal length of liquid. Complete. Now find the focal length of the lens in liquid. So as we learned that for a n glass and a upon NA, here 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. So put the value 1 upon 20, 1.5 minus 1 upon 1, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2, 1 upon 20, 0.5, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2, equation number 1. Now they give the transparent medium of liquid. So we have to find that refractive index of glass with respect to liquid. Refractive index of glass with respect to liquid. So n glass with respect to A, n liquid with respect to A. Glass 1.5, 1.75. To simplify that, we get 6 upon 7. Now for liquid, we can write focal length of liquid n glass and liquid upon n liquid 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. We can write this equation is also n glass and liquid minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. The value of n glass upon n liquid, that is 6 by 7. So FL is equal to 6 by 7 minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2, equation number 2. Now divide the equation number 1 by 2. So we get FL upon 20 is equal to 0.5, 7, 6 minus 7 minus 1 upon 7 is equal to minus 3.5. So F liquid is equal to minus 3.5 into 20. So F liquid is equal to minus 70 centimeter, and the nature of convex lens when it immersed in a completely transparent liquid, nature becomes concave. Complete. तो ऐसे भी हम सम्स कर सकते हैं. आपको एक सम्स में होमवर्क में देता हूँ. The question is the thin convex lens of glass, refractive index 1.5, has the focal length 20 centimeter. Now it completely immersed in a water with refractive index 1.33. So find the focal length in water. कंप्लीट. तो ये सब मुझे आपको कैलकुलेट करके कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर देना है. सो पढ़ते रहिए, हंसते रहिए, अपने ख्याल रखिए और जय श्री कृष्ण.